Ubak Pius Marwin MLA hakajuk kepor UMDC Karanikor Constituency ringkat kihe officer Ushamut Deka SE Brahmaputra Board Shillong u Abhay Kumar General Manager jangka Brahmaputra Board menta kesengi kesantrik uyayong kelalit jurip ya kawa umngi hasilinter jangka Shnong Mauslia bat ke Shnong Moilam Southwest Khasi Hills District kibadai ki Shnong kibadon harut jangka wa umngi ha kaba hakini ki jaka kawa umngi keladon ke jingsha rongno ki jaka ha ka umsaw ha ki por liur kabla kta shibuni ki jaka puta jong kite ki nong shong shnong ubak Pius Marwen ulai thuo bakani ke jing trailing ba ka Brahmaputra Board lamang haduk khat pra klur tingka ha ka ba ka jing trai kala ya chat redon kat tukat ni ki shnong ki bamhun ki bakwa ban pentre kat kum baladep trai ha ka shnong balat ha ki snem baladep baka long shisha ka baskem ka kendau ru bat kalane haduk menta namar kata nakaliang jong u harengkat baki officer jong ka Brahmaputra Board bat nakatanat Central Water Commission Shillong bat kipai ba kiladep ban ya penbet ban pentrei kat kum ka jingkwa jong kinong shong shnong
Kene kene ke jika kepala bam ke haka perliur. Kene ke jingke.
Seeing the river, seeing the composition of the material made for the bag. Here this bed bar will work. We can at least
Because before also they don't know this Debba here.
but bigger size boulder we have used.
And to construct 5 numbers of spars or bed bar. It is boulder bars, and there will be launching upon etc. which will be protecting this from further setting down. It will be for the it is, and these are boulder in sources in crates. We have in this portion we have 5 such type of spars. So, like we would like to know, sir, what is the because our contractors they have been restricted from like doing this work. So, because the villagers have some issues. So, what are the issues? We'll certainly like to know, because this is for the basically for the people only, and we are doing as per the approved DPR. So, like we'll certainly like to know, sir, what is the issues. So that is why the committee is just headed by our general manager. Yes.
You see from the villages, we have to.
Lawan ben cungok biang ben inspect ya kenika wa umni ke bangi syakot di balakol tenda daka Brahmaputra Board ka bakot saka khatha krul mat dalam apa khatha krul senek di kejingtrei kala bia chat kumba phaye I gumne taba kadon pat ke jaka ka ba kasnong kam sngouhun mo kasnong kam sngouhun apa ya dei kejingtrei di ngilaya wan cungok ongne kat bagi bor joka Brahmaputra Board ada uhe ke Brahmaputra Board nataki engineer napok ke Brahmaputra Board dekat napok ke state additional CE juga water resources juga state ini tinggal ngilawan pej juga orang ni kidon sisa kita jaka ke bakas nong kam semua hap ada kat kum kacing le kum kacing tray ya di krek ya biar jadi ngilajuan juga orang ni laya tembek dan kalian tahu Brahmaputra Board kalau pediang ni kata bakidon kijaka kibahap dan pembek mai hapen benda mai kat kum kacing don kam jong kenika acing pam jong kenika pok kenika wa umni di nakliang kejonga kenika por di kat pergi nong hi jong ni ka sinong kathan di ngila penpau ya ka cing ke bani tendo angin bila lap di snem por di baladat kenika wa umni dan nyipet menta ke motor ngim don ye di ndang ila phai ka por diur pat kolong ka ba ima hadu kata ni dokumen ba ketika balat satai hakini ki snem por ki baladep nilayo ka section ke ba si pau tam te ki kreu kala pendep satai menta ka balat hadu menta kam don e ke jingta ndri ka ndala ida suri ka bam pat sase we menta kala bam sase stai lam mo celia sama jama duar sto kora ndang ilawan berjumpa kumne ti ku ba pile ini ke jingtrei kala ya cacak tu ke jingata kala long tu di kita pergi cakap kumbangan orang mana kumbangan sobot tinggi layar discuss pada kan niru ki ong ba kin sale kin sapan pan susu ya ka sanction kemai ma bakat kumka DPR kat kumka jengmang juga tendar kemundap tinggi layar pembejang ni asajin ya kali ke jongkiro kila kubur bakin sa syong ya kata komite ke jongki di kin sa pendap susu ya ke jengmang kam habai dei ban kumbu ban yada susu ya kenika ha kenika snong
For the purpose of suggesting some measures basically for the making this project more efficient and more improved kind of thing, and just we are also taking the views from the villagers and local community also, so that their inspiration and other can be also be met out. So this is the main objective of today's visit basically of this committee, and this is a technical committee, and we have members from NIH, Central Water Commission. We have a professor from AEC in this committee, and WRD, the additional chief engineer, is also there, and Central Water Commission AC is also accompanying in this committee. So we are going to suggest some measures basically to make this so that this what measure we have taken so far is more sustainable, and it serves the purpose for which this we are undertaking.
Ai kumplei pi baro ki pajba tenga desnong na balat nga songka na po moslia tenga kwa banitu pi sipang gane ka snong moslia bajia babam ya ka snong po moslia te bat kawai mata na po moslia la long kumba asnam mata la don hi la bam gane ka snong temta ki wan na ki company na po Brahmaputra bot ki brusnong te kiwan ban kli ki brusnong ban sna kumno ban lek kumno tengi ki brusnong long mamtip baha ban batai namar ngiro eljong pat kule puthi te pat nang baha ban batai te don ki engineer ki bon ki engineer by one na po Brahmaputra ane bat ki male yum tala ya wan lang ne ba fuse marwen te bat ki brusnong te dai pan bej hi ban lek kumno ban pan bahai kane ka snong moslia ne kam tam po west kasil jingi imta te menta pada kila ong ban mesya ki wan season kila wan hangne ban le kane ka yu ka sekdam te la sa objek no namar bambiang trikam te menta pada la wan biang kine ki bru company berki busnong te ban pen bej ban le kumno ban pen bahai kane ka snong muslia te na ka snong ki kwa ban dakumno ru ban yada ya ka snong lajong kwa hi ban sina ban kham scam ma ya kane ka wa ngi jungi te ngam tip shu kin la kumno ki company namar ngi ki brusnong tengi kwa bi kumbasna hapo snong balat kumbasna hapo snong balat kum saweru te menta sane pade tip shu ki plan kumno te sai pe hadin dala ya trai menta pade menang batai
kat kum ka jinglap jong pi hak asi ayom liur dei kat no trai ka jing klain ka ban bam ya kane ka
de ka klan wa sane namar kane ka de menang batai dapat menta dan la sai da de perslap pade la dap sane baro te bat ka klan ba kane namar ka wa ngi te mo bawan na sitesa nalung ngi sane jika pendan
silir kan bam kat no
silir sane la bambun bam syale kasa te jakadan namba menta la poi na sane la jen senong te ter sate baro para jen poi sa jen senong brio